So this is my CS120B project for spring 2016 at UCR. My project is called RC, and it's a little remote control car that's powered off of a couple of AA batteries and a little USB power pack that powers the separate web server. So the whole point of this car is that it's remote controlled through any web interface. So basically anything that has a web browser, that could be your phone, your tablet, or a desktop PC. I'll be showing you in a little bit. But the whole thing is controlled off of a Atmega 1284 chip that you see here, a motor controller, which is the L293D, and then you see this little voltage regulator that I have in place to regulate the 6 volts coming from the AA batteries. And underneath here you can see my poor soldering job to get it all on a nice little board here. So I'll go ahead and show you how it works. There's a little servo that I installed up front. The original remote control car that I took apart for this project had a DC motor that just made the wheels go hard left or hard right. I added the servo to give full control over steering. There's also the stock motor that came with the car on back that's now controlled over the Atmega. Now the Raspberry Pi that you see here is the web server and access point for RC. It basically allows you to connect to its own Wi-Fi network that it's broadcasting and load up a web page that lets you control a car. No matter what address you type into the browser, the Raspberry Pi will always redirect you to the control interface. So let's show you how it works. So what I'm going to show here is RC's control interface. And you can pull this up by connecting to RC's hotspot, which I've done here. You can see my connection is on RC AP here on Connected Network. So that's RC's built-in Wi-Fi. And once you've done that, just load up any web page and it'll redirect you to RC's control interface, which is found here at port 5000. And then once you're connected, just send a couple of sample data here, and now you can control them. So we can control the steering and control the motor. Go backwards, forward, and then all the while steering.